I remember we had seen smart refrigerator made by Samsung. There were cameras inside of the refrigerator, and a person walks into the supermarket and he just turns on that camera through his app while he was in the supermarket. He had asked the refrigerator saying, how many eggs do I have in my fridge? So using machine learning and image processing, the fridge was able to reply, you have 3 eggs left in a tray. You need to buy 7 more or something of that kind. So this was developed back in those times. So it was really ahead of time.